Welcome to our channel Dreamers 360. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1ல் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் அதில் ஜியோகிரஃபியில் மொத்தம் 3 லெசன் இருக்குது. யூனிட் 1 இன்டீரியர் ஆஃப் தி எர்த், செகண்ட் லேண்ட் ஃபார்ம், தேர்ட் வந்து பாப்புலேஷன் அண்ட் செட்டில்மெண்ட். அதுதான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். யூனிட் 1 இன்டீரியர் ஆஃப் தி எர்த். ஒரு புக் பேக். சூஸ் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், நைஃப் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் டேஷ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, நிக்கல் அண்ட் ஃபெரஸ். செகண்ட், earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edges of dash அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் சி, plates. Third, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured by. Answer option B, Richter scale. Fourth, the narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called a dash. Answer option A, vent. Fifth, lava cones are dash. Answer option A, mountains of accumulation. Sixth, the top of the cone of a volcanic mountain has a depression known as the. Answer option A, crater. Seventh, dash belt is known as the ring of fire. Answer option A, Pacific. Second, fill in the blanks. First one, the core is separated from the mantle by a boundary called. Answer Weichandt-Gutenberg discontinuity. Second, the earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as. Answer seismograph. Third, magma rises to the surface and spreads over a vast area is known as. Answer lava. Fourth, an example for active volcano. Answer Mount Stromboli, St. Helens, Pinatubo, Mauna Loa. These are the examples of active volcano. Fifth, seismology is the study of earthquakes. Third, circle the odd one. First, crust, magma, core, mantle. Here odd one is magma. Second, focus, epicenter, vent, seismic waves. Here the odd one is vent. Third, Uttarkashi, Chamoli, Koina, Karakota. இதில் வந்துட்டு ஆட் ஒன் வந்துட்டு கரக்கோட்டா. ஃபோர்த், லாவா, கால்டெரா, சிலிக்கா, கிரேட்டர். ஹியர் ஆட் ஒன் இஸ் சிலிக்கா. ஃபிஃப்த், ஸ்ட்ராம்போலி, ஹெலன்ஸ், ஹவாய், ஃபுஜியமா. ஹியர் ஆட் ஒன் இஸ் ஃபுஜியமா. ஃபோர்த், மேட்ச் தி ஃபாலோயிங். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், earthquake, sudden movement. Sima, silica and magnesium. Pacific ring of fire, world volcanoes. Tsunami, Japanese term. Mount Kenya in Africa. Next. Fifth, consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Assertion and reason. Assertion, the structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. Reason, the interior of the earth consists of crust, mantle and core. Therefore, answer for the first one is option A. A and R are correct and A explains R. Second, assertion reason. The Pacific Ocean includes 2/3 of the world volcanoes. Correct. Reason, the boundary along the eastern and western coast area of the Pacific Ocean is known as the Ring of Fire. Correct. Here, answer option B. A and R are correct, but A does not explain R. Unit 2, landform. Choose the correct answer. First one, dash is the deposition of river sediments along the foothills. Answer option B, alluvial fan. Second, Kutralam Falls is located across Dash River. Answer option C, Sittar River. Third, the landform created by glacial deposition is. Answer option C, moraine. Fourth one, large deposits of loess are found in. Option C, China. Fifth one, dash are not associated with wave erosion. Answer option D, beaches. Second, fill in the blanks. First, the process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is. Answer weathering. Second, the place where the river joins a lake or a sea is known as. Answer river mouth. Third, Inselbergs are found in Dash Desert in South Africa. Answer Kalahari. Fourth, a circuit is known as dash in Germany. Car. Fifth, the first longest beach in the world is. Answer Miami Beach. Third, match the following. First, breaking and crumbling of rocks. Answer weathering. Abundant meander loops. Oxbow Lake. Large body of moving ice. Glacier. Crescent shaped sand dunes. Barchans. Vembanadu Lake. Lagoon. Fourth, consider the following statement and trick the appropriate answer. First, assertion and reason. The deltas are formed near the mouth of river. Correct. Reason, the velocity of the river becomes slow when it approaches the sea. Here, the answer for the first one is option A. Both A and R are correct. Second, assertion and reason. Sea arches in turn become a sea stag. Correct. Reason, sea stags are the result of wave deposition. Wrong. Therefore, the second one is option B. A is correct and R is wrong. Unit 3. Population and settlement. Here, choose the correct answer. First, Caucasoid race is also known as dash race. Answer option A. European race. Second, dash race is known as Asian American race. Answer option C. Mongoloid race. Third, the official language of India is. Answer option D. Hindi. Fourth, rural settlements are located near dash. Answer option A. Water bodies. Arrange the following in terms of size: city, megalopolis, metropolis, conurbation. Here answer option B. First city, second metropolis, third conurbation and megalopolis. Next, second, fill in the blanks. The bushman is found mainly in dash desert in South Africa. Answer Kalahari. Second, linguistic stock is a group of dash family sharing features and its origin. Language. In dash settlements, where most of the peoples are engaged in secondary and tertiary activities. Answer urban settlement. 4. Dash towns are generally located outside the rural urban fringe. Satellite. Fifth, dash settlement come up around a place of worship. Pilgrim. Third, match the following. Caucasoid is an European race. Negroid is an African. Mongoloid Asian American. Australoids Australia. Again, B, match the following. Sutlej Ganga plain, rectangular pattern. Second, Nilgiris, dispersed settlement. Third, South India, circular settlement. Sea coast, compact settlement. Haryana, star-like pattern. Fourth, consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Assertion. There are numerous languages spoken in the world. Reason. The linguistic diversity in the world is vast. Answer. Option A. A and R are correct and A explains R. Second, assertion. Thiruverkadu in Tamil Nadu is an example for pilgrim settlement. Reason. Iron and steel industry is located there. Answer option B. Or is not the correct explanation of A. Fifth, circle the odd one out. First, fishing, lumbering, agriculture, banking. Here, banking is odd one out. Second one, Himalayas, Alps, Rocky, Ganga. Ganga is the odd one out. Chennai, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Kanjipuram. Kanjipuram is the odd one out. உங்களுக்கு என்னோட வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.